Hello, hello. We are doing some more coaster molds. I had a request to see what some fall inspired coasters that are following, hold on. Ooh, that are following kind of this technique, but fall inspired colors would look like. So I have got some alcohol inks, lots of different. I got some pinatas. I got the rainforest. That's not pinata. I got the sunbright yellow and the calabaza orange. And then I have, what is this? Art Ranger. Jim something. I can't read that. In crimson and in sepia. And of course, I'll link all these different ones in the description of the video. I've already mixed my resin. As you can see, it's sitting here. Today I'm using Art Resin brand. And so we're just gonna get started. I'm only gonna do, I think 2. I think I've got enough to do 2. It's a little piece in here. 2 good sized ones. If I have enough, I might do 3 just because. And then we'll put our alcohol ink in here. Oh no, I forgot my white. Pause. Actually, fun little adventure. We're gonna take a pause. So this is the white that I use that causes the effect in the, with the alcohol ink, and I got a huge bottle. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm actually gonna see if I can't figure out how to, ooh, tortoise, how to maybe pop this off. Aha, that was super simple. And then it says shake vigorously until you can hear the ball. I don't hear a ball. There it goes. Now I can hear it. All right, so we're gonna pop this open and see what we're working with here and try not to make an absolute mess. Wish me luck. Okay, and now I'm going to pour this into here. I should probably use some kind of like a little funnel. Oh, that's going pretty easily actually. Sweet. Because I find this little bottle with this squeezy nozzle thing to work really well. Popped back in. That is awesome. All right. And I've used almost none of this. I'm very excited that I found this big bottle because this one is the one I use more than anything else except for possibly the gold. So I will also link this giant bottle in the bottom so that you guys, it's all over my glove, have the link to that. All right, now we're gonna actually get started. Wait, so I got something in here. Boop, 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 boop. All right, time to get started. We're gonna pour, I don't want them to be too thick. I don't want them to be like super thick. So we're gonna do that. Do the same thing here. I don't think I'm gonna have enough to do the third one. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more in here. Put the rest in here. All right, put that aside. Now I'm gonna pop some bubbles real quick with my handed on the torch. Just whatever's already at the top of my coasters. You wanna make sure with your silicone molds that you're not hitting the sides of your mold too much with your heat gun because it can affect your mold and it can affect the way that your mold pops out. All right, so I'm gonna start with green. I think green is a nice fallish color, but we don't want too much green. So we're gonna do a couple drops of green. I think we're wanting more of like an orangey kind of fall. And I lied. I don't know if Christy's watching this, but I lied, Christy. I found a red alcohol ink. I totally lied. I had one. I found it. All right, I'm gonna do some red. Yeehaw. I did find the red. Well, it's crimson, but you know, that's red to me. All right. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of white on these colors, and then I will add some, I've got some yellow and some orange and some brown, which I already showed you guys. Oh, I'm so excited about being able to refill this bottle. And now I'm gonna put a white drop on top of all the colored drops that I did, like that. Ooh, or a couple of white drops on each of the colored things that I did. Fun. And you guys get to see, I think you can see better the effect. I'm just gonna leave the lid half on. Now I'm gonna do some yellow. And I'm gonna try and break up into some of these spots here. All right. I've not used this yellow very much. It's not a color that because it doesn't show up as much unless if you put the white with it. All right, now I'm gonna do some brown. Did I already do brown? No, I did green first. My bad. Ooh. Got some brown in there. Now we're gonna do some orange. Orange. And then I'm gonna put some more white on top. Orange. Now orange to me is a very fall-y color. It's very fall-y, fall-esque, fallicious. Fallicious. That's totally my new word. All right, now we're gonna do some more white. Boop, 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 boop. And I'm just gonna, because I put colors all over, so I'm just gonna mix it all along the top like this. Boop, 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 boop. And put another one there and there. All right, and there. All right, so now I'm trying to decide, do I want to add more colors? Do I want to leave it like this? Do I, actually, no, I think I'm gonna leave this. I don't want to do too much with it. I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna leave this. Someone's taking their trash cans out to the road. It's trash day where I live, so it's time for the trash cans to go out. And this is looking a little cray-cray. Good cray-cray, bad cray-cray, I don't know, but it's looking a little cray-cray. Hold on, I'm gonna do another white drop in a couple of places here. And another one there, and another one there, and there, there. All right, well, now I'm officially done. I'm gonna stop myself before I make too much of a mess. And we're gonna let this go. It's gonna sit for about 24 hours or so, and then I will come back and I will unmold it, because you can take it out before it's 100% cured. But you wanna let it sit for at least about 24 hours so that it's hard enough to be handled. And then I will show you guys what happened. See you next time. Okay guys, we're back with our fall inspired coasters, and as you'll see, they did a lot of moving after we finished our last video. You can see that it's moved in quite a bit, and for some reason there is a lot of blue, and I didn't use a single drop of blue in these coasters. As you'll remember, let's see, I did the green, the yellow, the red, orange, and I don't think and I used the white, of course, obviously the white, and then this brown, but no blue. However, I clearly see blue here, 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 here. So let's see what they look like when we pop them out and flip them over. Ooh. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at all of those colors. Oh my gosh. That has so much vibrancy. I love this. It's definitely not what I was going for, but wow. You kind of got to just let it do its thing. Look at that. I hope it's what they were looking for. I might have to do another set. I don't even know. Maybe I put too many different colors in. Maybe that's what happened. Goodness. And look at how much blue is in there. And I didn't put a drop of blue in these coasters. I have absolutely no idea how that happened. Maybe the green separated with the something, or the something mixed with the something else. I have no idea. But look at those colors. I think I needed a little bit more white. I think that would have caused, well, I don't even know. Wow, that's so beautiful. Well, I absolutely love these, even if they're not what the person was looking for, and I might have to try again to get something that they are wanting. But I think these came out just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Wow. And the 3D effect. I don't know how much you guys can see, or if the light is reflecting. I'm going to try and turn it at different angles so maybe you can see, I hope. But goodness, it looks like a galaxy of color in there. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh, anyways, so here's our quote unquote fall inspired coasters. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so that it notifies you the next time I come up with a crazy idea. And you guys can follow along with all my little adventures. I'll see you guys next time.